घर पर इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हो बट कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता? डोंट वरी, इन दिस वीडियो वी विल प्रैक्टिस 50 डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस टुगेदर। आपको सिर्फ मेरे साथ रिपीट करना है। रेडी? लेट्स स्टार्ट। मॉर्निंग सेंटेंसेस। वेक अप, वेक अप। इट्स टाइम टू गेट अप, इट्स टाइम टू गेट अप। ब्रश योर टीथ, brush your teeth. Wash your face, wash your face. Take a bath, take a bath. Get ready quickly, get ready quickly. Breakfast is ready, breakfast is ready. Drink your milk, drink your milk. Don't be late, don't be late. Have a nice day, have a nice day. Very good, आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो। Now let's practice kitchen sentences. What should I cook today? What should I cook today? What should I cook today? Please cut the vegetables, please cut the vegetables. The food is delicious, the food is delicious. Add some salt, add some salt. The tea is too hot, the tea is too hot. I am feeling hungry, I am feeling hungry. Dinner is ready, dinner is ready. Please serve the food, please serve the food. Eat slowly, eat slowly. Wash the dishes, wash the dishes. Now repeat quickly after me. Breakfast is ready, I'm feeling hungry. Eat slowly, wash the dishes. Very good. Now family conversation. Where are you going? Where are you going? When will you come back? When will you come back? Please help me, please help me. Don't make noise, don't make noise. Switch off the fan, switch off the fan. Open the door, open the door. Close the window, close the window. Give me some water, give me some water. I am feeling tired, I am feeling tired. Take care, take care. Household chores English. Clean your room, clean your room. Fold the clothes, fold the clothes. Turn on the light, turn on the light. Turn off the TV, turn off the TV. Charge your phone, charge your phone. Keep your things in the right place, keep your things in the right place. The house looks messy, the house looks messy. Let's clean the house, let's clean the house. Bring the broom, bring the broom. The floor is dirty, the floor is dirty. See, आप ऑलरेडी इतने सारे सेंटेंसेस बोल पा रहे हो, बस कुछ दिन और प्रैक्टिस करते रहो। कॉमन डेली एक्सप्रेशंस। What happened? What happened? Are you okay? Are you okay? I am busy right now, I am busy right now. Wait for a minute, wait for a minute. I will do it later, I will do it later. Hurry up, hurry up. Calm down, Calm down. Don't worry. Don't worry. That is a good idea. That's a good idea. I am proud of you. I'm proud of you. Now final speaking practice. मेरे साथ repeat करो. Wake up. Breakfast is ready. Please help me. Open the door. I am feeling hungry. Turn off the TV. Don't worry. Hurry up. Take care. Good job. देखा आपने कितनी easily से आप English बोल पा रहे हो. If you practice these sentences every single day, your English speaking confidence will improve. Which sentence you will use today? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.